Hey folks, in this video I'm going to be talking about evergreen niches, what they are, why they're so important for making money, and why they're really gold mines if you can find the right one and know how to monetize it. So I'm someone that makes a full-time income through the affiliate marketing world, and one of those ways that I do that is by targeting evergreen niches and helping people find that kind of stuff. And what an evergreen niche basically is a niche subject that is recession proof. It doesn't lose interest. It goes up and down in terms of popularity, but even at the low points, it's still popular. So for example, if I think about something like how to lose belly fat, it's a subject that climbs up and down throughout the year. In fact, let me just go over here to Google Trends to show you how that works. Lose belly fat. I'm going to show you in a moment how this looks. Now, I'm going to go for a year period since 2004. As you can see, there are ups and downs in the market, but it's never at zero. Zero would be down here in the flat line area. But even at a low point, this subject is still popular. So this would be considered an evergreen niche. Now, one of the reasons why this particular subject is going up and down is because typically, like during the holidays, end of the year, people think about getting together with family, eating food, and so on and so forth. So they're not really thinking about getting into shape, losing belly fat, and so forth. But once the year ends and people start having New Year's resolutions, look at this. It starts climbing. Boom, it explodes in January. And you'll see similar trends like this as the years progress. Now, that's an example of an evergreen niche, and an example of what a non-evergreen niche would be is, for example, a product that comes into popularity and then loses that popularity over time. So for example, there was a diet I was promoting a long time ago called the 17-day diet. And what you're going to notice is there was a huge, nobody knew about it before 2010, and then towards the end of 2010, it started just exploding in popularity because it was popular in infomercials and people started Googling it, looking it up online, and I was profiting off this particular diet. In fact, I made like $200,000 using an awesome way of marketing for it. But long story short, what happened was, as the diet kept going, eventually it died out, and now it's almost flatline. No, hardly anyone even talks about it anymore. So if you were to compare that to the lose belly fat one that I showed you, the lose belly fat one was like this, so it's evergreen. But the 17-day diet went up and then down like that, and that's it. No one's ever, well, I mean, people still hear about it, but hardly anyone knows about it anymore. So that's an example of a non-evergreen niche. Now, the point is, if you can find an evergreen niche that does not lose any popularity and actually fits the qualifications that I was telling you about earlier, and you know how to profit from it, you make a blog, a YouTube channel, you make pay-per-click ads, you can do a lot of stuff with it because it's so popular. Traffic is always going to be flocking to find out about it, whether it's how to lose belly fat, how to get your ex back, how to regrow your hair for a man, or something like that. These are examples of evergreen niches that are always going to be profitable because they're evergreen. They're recession proof. They're not going to have these up and down explosions like I showed you with the 17-day diet. It's going to constantly be popular. Now, if you want to find out more information about evergreen niches, examples of them, and how to profit from them specifically, there's a link below this YouTube video that'll take you to this particular page where I show you a bunch of these options and I show you how to profit from them, basically. That's the most important thing. Now, the good news is that there's a lot of different evergreen niches available, and if you can find one that you are most passionate about and knowledgeable on, and you use a step-by-step blueprint that I talk about underneath this video, you can really make an awesome passive income through affiliate marketing, through display ad network advertising, through email marketing, a whole bunch of different options. But the point is, the niche, the evergreen niche, is the gold mine, okay? And the blueprint that I show you underneath this video shows you how to basically find that gold mine, and then basically dig it out, or whatever analogy that you want to use. So with that said, if you have any questions about evergreen niches, you are more than welcome to ask me that below this video, and or on my website that I link to below the video as well. I recommend you do that there because I'm more active on that area. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video, and like I said before, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask me. Have a great one.